back to another video. I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, but I'm going to be making a few just to an update of the car because it has changed a lot. As you can see, I've got some Recaros in the VXR interior, so I will be doing a walk around video soon. But in today's video, I'm just going to be installing or retrofitting an Adam S badge. I've already painted this one before this video, a couple of weeks ago actually, but I just haven't found the time or the weather to be just right to put it in. So I'll switch around the camera and I'll show you what you need. So yes, I've got my Adam badge. So the tools you'll need is some files to make the holes a little bit bigger for the Adam badge to sit flush on and obviously mount up to your boot. You'll need the T20 to take off the boot trim as well. You need some silicone to patch in some holes which the OEM badge has in your boot, so just bear that in mind. And then lastly, you need some springs for your gas struts just to help it go up, and a sticky pad or an old credit card to just return your Adam badge. So without further ado, I'll get showing you how to take in the boot trim off. So yes, with the T20 you just go here and here and you just unscrew them, and then once you've done that you just pull down and obviously this whole boot trim will come out. Just taking the bolts out, so basically all you got to do is just yank down on this, and I would need two hands, but basically I'll show you once it's off. So yeah, I've just pulled the boot trim down. It will sound like it's breaking, but trust me, it's not. It's completely normal. It's just a Vauxhall thing. So here you can see the two little prongs which I was saying that sticking out on the OEM badge earlier. Obviously the two bolts which you'll just need to make bigger, and this hole as well for the connector. And to take the connector off, you just pull it out. It's just as easy as that. I've got to mention earlier as well, you need an 8mm socket just to take the badge out as well. So yeah, if you've got an 8mm, you'd obviously need one of them. I would just test your badge, so you just literally just plug it in and you just click it down, and there you go, the badge works. So grab your 8mm socket and just take it off. I'll show you once I've taken it off. So once you've unscrewed everything, there's two little clips which you need to just push in, and then the badge will just come out like so, and then you just pull it out, and there you go. I need to clean behind it and stuff, but that is how you remove your boot badge. So as you can kind of see, the holes are a little bit too small, so let's get filing and making them a little bit bigger. So I've tested the holes and they are big enough, and I will use some touch-up paint just to basically stop any rust in the future. After that, I put some tape underneath, so when I silicone, which I have done, it won't fall through. Once you've done that, you need to put your, say like tape or like old credit card just about here. After that, I would put the tape on the button so it's got somewhere to press against to open. You could also use a little bit of tape just to make it like a little bit stand proud, just so you can push it for the button. So once we've done that, I've just pushed it in and just testing it, and obviously it's loose at the minute, but it does work, so I'm going to tighten up the rest. Okay, so I've just put the boot badge on and I've just put the boot back together, just with the two T20 bolts, and then just push it up, and yeah. So to put the springs on, you just get a little screwdriver and you just pop off the little clip that stops the struts from falling off. I didn't actually fit my springs today, but the ends do twist off for the strut. So here is the boot badge on the car. Obviously it looks flush now. It does protrude a little bit, but obviously that's just, you need to, obviously, so you can press it in. So I'll show you now. I just literally just press in the middle and it just opens up, and there you go, it's all sorted. So yes, I've installed my Adam boot badge. I hope it was helpful, and obviously it was just enjoyable to watch. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. When I do like the walk around. I think that'll be, I don't know, in a couple of weeks or in a month or so. But when the weather gets nicer, I'll do a walk around and show you the things I've done. So yeah, cheers.